Hello everyone. Today was my attempt at a beeswax candle, and it was fairly easy because all you have to do is literally melt beeswax. And you just pick a votive or a mason jar, something inexpensive or something that you already have around the house, and melt it and glue down a wick, pour it all in, and let it set. That was it. It's still hardening, so I have to wait and see. I did add a little bit of lavender essential oils, so I'm excited to see how it smells. But I can tell you that the reason I picked beeswax to make my candles with instead of soy or anything else was because of the health benefits. Beeswax naturally purifies the air by emitting negative ions. Anything that's in the air that is floating, such as dust, pollen, pollutants, toxins, they're all positively charged, and that's why they're floating. So when you light a candle like this, it gives off negative ions, which basically bind with the positive ions and make them too heavy to float, thus dragging them down to the ground, and they are no longer floating around in the air, making it difficult for you to breathe. So that is why I want this in my house. There is way too much pollen flying around right now, and my allergies are going crazy. So I'm really excited to see if this works, and I will keep you updated on how it goes after it's hardened and I light it later. See you later. For more videos and blogs, follow skinnylittlemama.com.